guys, it's Quentin. We're in our neighbor's garage looking today at that Craftsman 1.5 horsepower chain drive garage door opener. As you can see, and there's no light bulb, no light cover. But, well, this is the light button right there. This is a Craftsman button. I gotta close it. It's kind of, the door squeaks a little. Open it back up. As you can see, it looks like it's a normal sound. It's not quite that loud. It's not quite that loud. As you can see.
They're very nice though. They're super
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
Really nice. They're big and
No light cover. Yeah, the light cover is missing. So you can see there's no handle on it.
Don't be afraid.
And here's that Craftsman opener, and I have a Lift Master. So I videotaped their Craftsman opener on my mom's phone, but I will like it on my mom's YouTube. So I videotaped it on Daddy's phone. And okay, see you later. Bye.